for love. I've decided to get married, following my heart. Let it go and let it guide me. I think I found the one that I know that I can count on. Been here all along, and I know will never leave me. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm walking down the aisle, wearing on a gown and a big smile. With me are all my friends, yeah, witnessing this true commitment and lighting up my path that I know ahead may be dark. My sisters made a song so that we could all sing along. I'm marrying myself, holding me through sickness and health, promising to love and care for me till death do us part. 'Cause nothing can go wrong when it's me that I depend on. I know now I belong in this body, wholesome and strong. Death do us part. I met someone else. He makes me feel light and happy, and I'm feeling alright. My heart is never empty, 'cause I know that the love does already live inside me, following my heart.